Good day everybody, welcome to a very special Munipals Subway Unbox. Today we have the R160 Z Train. You know the J Train action can only go so well without the Z Train. It's definitely a must-have. So without further ado, let's unbox it. I hope I won't fall asleep given there are 6 number Z's in front of me. Okay, so here it is, the Z Train. Very lovely finish. I think a little bit of scratch over here. That's a little bit of a marks over here, as you can see. But overall, though, lovely finishes on both sides. Front, under as well. Bear in mind, the paint are not as sparkly as all the other trains. So, for example, let's compare it with other railways, such as the L train. Now, the L train's paints seems to be more sparkly. Have a look. There's a bit more glitz on this than the Z train. Look a little bit closer, then you get it. See? Compare the pair. So that's Z and that's L. Side by side. Now you definitely know what I'm talking about. The L train is more glitter than the Z train. And bear in mind, I have some new L trains coming along, so we'll unbox them soon. So there we have it, 6 Z trains. Each and every one of them are beautifully finished. Couldn't really see any flaws on them. They're all very, very nice, each and every one of them. As I stated before, the paints are not as sparkly as some of the recent Munipals trains. The quality has always been very good. Maybe a little bit of a little bit of scratch here and over here, but overall though, yeah, there you have it, right over here. But overall though, the finishes have been lovely, and quite frankly they're beautiful to look at and nothing really to complain about. So very high quality indeed. So without further ado, let's give it a test run, and then after that I'm going to provide a special update about what I'm going to do with the R40 Munipals order.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Okay, so before we finish, it's time for a brief update about the R40 F Train. I have purchased 3 sets of them, so that means 6 cars, and they should be arriving in the next week or two. So as soon as I got them, either at the end of this month or in mid-July or around that time, I'll quickly do an unbox followed by an action during the weekend. But until then, I'll see you this weekend for the Canal Street action. See you at the platform, fellas.